Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can pin Instagram posts to Pinterest. So to begin with, open up your Instagram page, or probably whatever page contains the image that you would like to upload to your Pinterest, whatever is that. Then open the picture, photo, or post in question, generally. Then on top of each post, in front of a username that posted it, you'll get these three horizontal buttons. So you want to tap on them. Then over here among the options, go for the share button. Then among the available applications that you can share this picture to, choose Pinterest. Then as well, select this image from the list, because you can post not only image but also link to the post instead of the picture itself. Then you can change the board that this pin will be put to. So let's say I'll go with this one and wait for it to be saved. And now once we open the Pinterest app and the board that we have chosen in particular, you'll see that the Instagram post has been successfully uploaded or pinned to the Pinterest by us. Alrighty, so and by the way, before I finish, as you can see, if you haven't already noticed, it gets uploaded with the link to this post included. Alrighty, that will be for sure it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.